proportionality question here, which means that the first stage is to just write the statement that's given to us in proportionality language. And we write that as P is proportional to the cube of Q. In other words, it's written like that. And that's just the same as P equals some constant multiplied by Q cubed. And it says find a formula for P in terms of Q. Well, in order to find our formula for P in terms of Q, we can't have K in it. So in other words, we need to get rid of K by substituting Q equals 15 and P equals 1,350 into this. So if we put here, instead of P, I can write 1,350, and that's going to equal K multiplied by 15, so that's instead of Q cubed. And that's the same as 1,350 is equal to, or 15 cubed is 3,375. So in other words, 1,350 is the same as 3,375 K, which means that K is just 1,350 divided by 3,375. And that comes out as 0.4. So the formula then for P in terms of Q, if we go over here, is that P, so we go back to this statement here, but we replace K with the 0.4, so P is equal to 0.4 Q cubed. And that's the formula for P in terms of Q. Question then says calculate P when Q is 20. So P then is going to be 0.4 multiplied by 20 cubed this time. In other words, it's going to be 0.4 multiplied by 8,000. And if you work that out, it comes out as 3,200.